Honey locust was introduced into the northern tablelands around Emmaville during the 1900s as a fodder tree and subsequently cultivated as a garden ornamental throughout the region. Known for its high nutritive seed pods and fast establishment, the tree is now recognised as a serious pest of riparian areas due to its invasiveness and environmental, economic and social impacts. It is widespread throughout the northern inland region and is particularly prevalent in the Border Rivers Guarda and Namoi catchments. Honey locust is a deciduous spreading tree and will reach heights in excess of 20 metres under ideal conditions. During the warmer months it produces prolific green leaves and throughout late spring bears creamy yellow hanging flower stalks. These flowers then develop into masses of long brown seed pods which contain many viable seeds that are dispersed along riparian areas and adjacent floodplains by animals and floodwater. However, the most distinguishing feature of honey locust is its crucifix-like spines, which can grow to more than 50 millimetres and cover most of the trunk and branches. Some grafted ornamental thornless varieties are still sold in nurseries, even though progeny revert back to the thorny variety once established. Honey locust is extremely invasive in riparian habitats, outcompeting native vegetation and creating dense monocultures. These monocultures, combined with the sharp spines that cover the plant, displace and injure native fauna, creating ideal harbours for feral pests such as pigs and foxes. In agricultural environments, honey locust thickets smother pasture, restrict livestock access to waterways, and harm livestock. Their sharp spines also pose a safety threat to humans and cause damage to vehicles and machinery. The tip of the honey locust spine contains a toxin which often results in inflammation and infection if the wound is not treated. Currently, honey locust is not a declared noxious weed in the NIWAC region. However, this is under consideration and may be subject to change. Please contact your local weeds officer to confirm the declaration status of honey locust in your area. Honey locust is a difficult weed to control because of its invasiveness, ability to spread, and the habitats in which it grows. However, it is possible to control if a regional integrated approach is adopted. Non-chemical methods include mechanical and cultural control. Bulldozing and cultivation has been used with some success as long as any regrowth is regularly treated with a registered herbicide. Continual grazing after mechanical removal can suppress seedlings, however this needs to be treated with caution as grazing can promote seed spread. Chemical control is the most appropriate method for suppressing honey locust using either the basal bark method, cut stump stem injection method or foliar spray method. There are several registered herbicides for the control of honey locust and you should contact your local weeds officer for advice on which method of control is suitable for your situation. And as always, if you suspect you have honey locust growing on your property, please contact your local weeds officer for further advice.